Careernomics is a specialized platform for early career professionals, catering to both bachelor and master's students. Our industry reports give you a unique big-picture view about the recruiting activity in your industry or sub-industry of interest, across job areas, locations, and employers. You can scroll down and check also their sub-industries. Our industry reports show real-time and historical data based on the past 6 months. The Overview tab starts with the industry structure, where you can see how many employers are based in each respective sub-industry. You can also see how many employers fall under each tag, and some insights about the sector in relation to other industries. Below that, you can see the current top employers on the platform and companies that are trending. Next, you will get an industry overview, covering areas such as industry dynamics affecting careers, industry-specific activities, frequently required skills, and some career insights. Under the Hiring Trends tab, you'll find some graphs showing the situation of the industry in relation to the most relevant job areas and job locations and the latest news of the industry. Next, deep dive the industry by job area, where you'll get a breakdown by percentage of jobs and competitiveness, with the current top employers for that job area and sample jobs for those employers, with locations. Followed by the latest jobs in the industry, with locations. Lastly, you can see the current top 5 development programs for the industry and their respective employers. The next tab is a breakdown of the industry jobs by location. Scrolling down, you can see a map of how the employers are distributed throughout the world and the number of jobs by location. It is possible to start deep diving by country. You can see the percentage of jobs from the industry that can be found in the country, the competitiveness of jobs in that region, and the current top employers in that country. Below that is a breakdown of the top job areas in the country, in relation to the industry with the top employers per job area and the latest jobs in the industry for the country. Lastly, you can see the current top 5 development programs for the industry and their respective employers.